Okay, as we move from Heidegger to Jean-Paul Sartre, um, and we're developing this idea of phenomenology in postmodernism. Phenomenology, of course, is the philosophical methodology which says that reason cannot fully articulate the world, and therefore we need to move to a more descriptive methodology. Sartre was a big reader and fan of Heidegger. We said postmodernism, in a certain sense, was the French reception of German philosophy. Well, Sartre is the French reception almost in its entirety of Heidegger. Sartre wrote a book after reading Heidegger's Being and Time. He wrote a book called Being and Nothingness. And he really gets interested in Heidegger's idea of the relationship between being and nothing that we've been talking about in Heidegger. Remember, Heidegger says the fundamental philosophical question, the Grundfrage of philosophy is, why is there something rather than nothing? Why is there anything at all? Why is there being at all and not just nothing? Sartre says, actually, I want to flip that. What's actually more interesting is not why there's something, but why there's nothing. Why is there nothing? And what is nothing? We saw this with Heidegger, that nothing had to, in some sense, be, otherwise meaning couldn't be. Well, Sartre's very much interested in that. And he conceives of reality as this dualism between being, or something, and nothing. And that reality is within the human being as well. Just like it was for Heidegger and Dasein, that we are constituted by a lack and nothing. And this lack that is ourselves, or this nothing, or this vapidity, is what makes us free. And also, this nothing, as it's spread out in the world, is what creates meaning. But the first point is, well, 2 points. Number one, Sartre thinks the question of why is there nothing rather than something, that's the more interesting question. Number two, Sartre's ontology is such that it's interested in the interplay and relation between being and nothing, the relationship between being and nothing. Okay?